this is the straight fence that I was setting up earlier. It's going to be dividing my growing area from the path, and it'll also be acting as a wind block because most of the wind comes from the west. So I've dug out a small sort of trench and sat this in preliminarily. It helps to go along sometimes with a pitchfork and loosen the ground, so that when you're putting your posts in, it's already sort of soft enough for everything to go in without too much bother. I've also cut a small diagonal in my posts, similarly to the ones I was showing earlier. That's to help it go in the ground. And the first one, we're just going to pop it in right at the end here. Saying earlier, it's you just go in until you're comfortable with how strong it is. If it's too high, you can always cut it off. If it's too low, it'll still screw on. So you're better cutting longer bits rather than shorter, so you're not left with too little. That seems it'll do. I'll be filling this gap in as well at some point, maybe with some of these bricks, and bury them in just to give it a bit extra weight. So we'll be putting our second one here. So the diagonal bits ground. Be handy. Now, the reason I've not drilled everything in yet is just to make sure it all works, and it seems to be already freestanding, which is a good sign. So there's nothing worse than drilling and setting it up all the way, and then it turns out that you missed a bit, or it's not sitting straight. We're going to put one of those intersecting bits we were talking about earlier. Again, that's to help strengthen the link between the two, and also straighten them up. What I've also done here is I've made sure I've cut the bottom of it, which was sort of sticking out to the size of that. You can do that with a handsaw as well, and that's to make sure it actually goes in where it's meant to. So just put the interlocking bit in, so, and try and flush the square onto the other one, and that just gives it a little bit more of an edge to it. We'll drill this together very shortly, and that leaves us with the last two posts to go in. So I'm just going to go along the front side of this to start, and attach the boards straight on. This, given the pallets are thin, you can get away with a type of screw that's maybe anything from sort of 20 to 40 or 35. You don't need really big ones for this. It does help having two sizes though, because we're going to be putting the blocks together as well. So yeah, two sizes of screws, small and big. So now that we've attached the posts, the pallets onto the posts on the vertical face, we're just going to go down the bottom end and seal the deal with a bigger screw that'll go into the corner cube, and that'll give it support. And then basically do the same all the way up. So I'm just putting in a little bracket to seal the two bits here, so that they line up like that. You can do quite a few different things. For example, you can get a piece of wood and quite easily attach these two together. It doesn't have to be a metal bracket. It could be another post like the ones we had over here that you could pop in there. I'm just using these brackets here for the convenience. So this is the finished product here. I ended up going for a corner sort of structure in the end, but sort of building it remained the same. As you can see, sort of on the back end of this is just repeating that same structure as we were saying earlier on, taking it all the way down and across. and hopefully that'll be keeping the wind off. And there's a couple of bits left over which will be quite handy, because as you can see over there, I've got a load of straw and hay. So the next video we'll be probably either putting it over there or on the other side of the plot, and we'll be making a compost bed, and in my case also just something to store the straw in, but it'll be the same design, and we'll be making them out of pallets as well.